In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in a Wix website. If you want to place a heading, a paragraph, or any custom written content on your Wix page, adding a text box is one of the most basic and useful things you can learn. The good news is that Wix makes this very simple. And once you know where to click, you can add and customize text in just a few moments. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. This is the workspace where you can make changes to your website layout, design, and content. Make sure you are on the page where you want the text to appear so you can place it exactly where it belongs. Once you are inside the editor, go to the upper left corner of the screen and click the Add Elements icon, which appears as a plus sign. This opens the main panel for adding new items to your page, including text, images, buttons, and other design elements. From that menu, select Text. Clicking Text will show you a variety of preset text options. These presets are helpful because they already come with styling that fits common website needs. So you don't always have to build everything from scratch. Next, choose a style that's closest to what you want. You might see options such as themed text, titles, or paragraphs. If you are adding a main heading, a title style is usually a good place to start. If you are adding body content or a description, a paragraph style may work better. Choosing something close to your goal will save time when editing later. After that, drag and drop the text box onto your page. Place it wherever you want the text to appear. Wix gives you flexibility here, so you can move it around until it looks right within your layout. Once it's on the page, use the resize handles on the edges of the box to adjust its size. This is especially useful if your text needs more room or if you want it to fit neatly within a section. To customize the content, click the Edit Text button that appears above the text box. From there, you can change the font, size, color, and alignment. This is where you make the text match your website's style and improve readability for visitors. Try to keep your formatting consistent so your site looks clean and professional. And that's it. Thanks for watching.